Hey guys, didn't even realize I was recording, but whatever. This is just a little commentary, well, vlog that I just wanted to do, because, 6 subscribers, I can't say it. It's so beautiful, but so terrible, motherfucker. Okay, so I just wanted to say that I'm going to Maine. You won't be seeing any videos from me for like 5 days. Oh my gosh, I never upload anyway. What are you gonna do without me? And I wanted to show you my new contraption. Look at my basement. It's so beautiful. And there's the other side of my basement. That looks like complete shit. No, not really. It's just dark and deceiving. Like this. And that. And I'm on a lipstick, so yeah. Just chilling. Okay. So look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. Okay. I just want to give a little demonstration on this. I'll just leave the camera right here. I don't know where I was going to leave it, so I was like, go to. Okay, so right here, have a colored pencil as ammo, and it's a crossbow, if you were wondering. Pretty bad. Made it in like 30 minutes. Okay, so you look at this. Actually, I'll show you my lips. What's the job? Wait. What's the job? See that awesomeness? Wait. Move it closer in so you can actually see it. And that's just lightly because I don't want to like break it. This thing is pretty powerful. I mean, I broke through a piece of cardboard. Probably break through my ceiling. That didn't go anywhere. In the ceiling. Whatever. You can see, I'm fucked. Anally fucked. Whatever. You know, things just have to work this way. Just kidding! Happy 2 days after April Fools, you little bitches! That's been there for a while. And I don't even know how it got there. It's just there. Well, yeah. So, it's a tragedy. One more time. Motherfuckers! Ah! Launch the missiles, you little Russians. Bye.